snack vending machine. Those mini and peeps are pretty cool.
I got one bag I only got one bag of Doritos. What else do I
Freshly restocked.
No, see, this is what I'm talking about.
Ooh, gummy bears.
I always get like these, so I just. I probably won't add the gummy bears to it, just because. I won't add the gummy bears to it, just for the same fact that I already got those. So I'll probably.
Hey man, I'd definitely rather have gummy bears than fruit snacks.
Look at all those ones. Bunch of different. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See, look. This is what I got.
Oh, so you do have candy.
These are $1.
Ooh,
I actually, you know what? I've actually never put anything in any of these, so I actually can just see if it. This one doesn't work. Or wait, no. This one doesn't work. I remember testing this, and the one at 50 cent doesn't work. So I have how many varieties? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Alright,
so I have to
guys,
make
well,
sure 6 of those.
That's that machine.
Let's see, like, oh wait, I got it.
What if I just write these in?
Try it. My cord's holding them back.
Okay.
You got 2 seconds. I'm just kidding. You got 4.
Oh.
Drop some.
Wait. Oh. That was pretty close. Didn't work out the way you wanted.
We got a crowd here. What's up? Hi.
You guys want to be on YouTube? You okay?
Yeah.
It's Clawmaster.
Huh?
Clawmaster?
Clawmaster?
Yeah.
Alright. There you go.
Yeah, that's what they call me.
What are you going for?
This Dinosaurus. This Dinosaurus Cardinals Rex.
Just don't stab anything. That should be yours. What?
What are you talking about?
How did you not get that?
Oh, and not again.
Oh my god, Will. What are you doing?
Yes.
You completely missed it.
Right. Ooh.
I think it's all said. I mean, what are you? Yeah.
Oh, I can get that.
What you're doing?
Me neither. That's what I'm doing.
There you go, you got it.
You see what I'm doing now, Aaron?
Kind of.
You see what I'm doing now? What did I ask you? I said, Aaron, remind me to get one of these. That's my clue.
Oh, it was ice cream.
Yeah.
SpongeBob. Yes.
There you go.
Got you.
What the heck?
Did you get its butt tag? Oh.
Put 2 tries on there for you, Aaron.
Alright.
Because you know what? I'm a good person. And I believe in equality. Oh.
There is a payout rate on this one.
You call this the Frankenstein train. Look.
Chances are you probably won't win that till your 10th try.
Probably. It's not very good. Wow. This is so bad. That's sad.